In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a trade copier with Tradovate and TradingView. This is especially useful if you want to synchronize your trading activities seamlessly across multiple accounts. To get started, you'll need a separate software or add-on, as Tradovate's native features focus primarily on group trading within its platform. First, let me introduce you to two popular trade copier options, Pick My Trade and Trade Sensor. Pick My Trade is quite handy as it directly connects TradingView to Tradovate, allowing you to copy trades into sub-accounts of your existing Tradovate login or even across different Tradovate logins using an account token. On the other hand, Trade Syncer is a versatile cloud-based software that connects various brokers, including Tradovate and TradingView, to facilitate the replication of trades across multiple accounts. Once you've chosen your trade copier software, it's time to set it up. Begin by connecting your TradingView account to the copier. Do follow the software's instructions carefully during this process. It's important to note that Google or Apple sign-ins may not work for Tradovate, so you may need to use a traditional username and password to ensure a successful connection. Once your TradingView account is linked, go ahead and link your Tradovate account or accounts. You'll usually provide either account details or tokens to establish this connection. Configuring the settings is an essential next step. You'll start by specifying your leader account. This is the primary Tradovate account from which trades will be copied. Following that, add and activate any Tradovate sub-accounts where you want these trades to be mirrored. A significant feature to consider here is the quantity multiplier. Setting a multiplier can adjust the trade size for your follower accounts. For instance, a multiplier of 2 would effectively double the trade size in the sub-account. Now, you're ready to start trading. Simply execute a trade on your TradingView platform. Once everything is correctly configured, the trade copier will spring into action, automatically replicating that order across all connected Tradovate sub-accounts, while appropriately adjusting for the quantity multiplier that you've set. It's crucial to monitor and manage your trades. Many copier tools offer dashboards and analytics that allow you to keep an eye on the performance and status of trades across all your accounts in real time. Additionally, leveraging features within either the copier software or Tradovate can help you set up risk parameters to protect your capital effectively across all accounts. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of important considerations. It's often recommended to have a paid TradingView subscription for a more seamless experience, as using a free account might result in delays. Also, always ensure that your accounts are active and properly configured before initiating any trades to make sure the copier functions flawlessly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to using a trade copier with Tradovate and TradingView. Implement these steps, and you'll be well on your way to managing your trades efficiently across multiple accounts. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.